All right, we're taking a look at problem 180. It's a polynomial. It goes through the point 156. We're going to use that in just a minute. But first of all, to start the problem, we want to take a look at the x-intercepts. So if we have -3, 2, and 5, that means that we have factors of x plus 3 from this one, x minus 2 from that one, and x minus 5 from that x-intercept. Now, if we want to use this coordinate point right here to help us, we also need to think of a stretch factor. So I'm going to take these factors. I need an a value to figure out our stretch factor, and it's going to be y equals that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that coordinate point, and I'm going to substitute it in for x and for y, and solve for a. So 56 is my y value. A, if I put 1 in for x, I have 4 for that set of parentheses. I put 1 in for x, I have -1 for that set of parentheses. And when I put in 1 for x, I have -4 for that set of parentheses. That now gives me 56 equals +4, -1, -4 is going to be a +16a. And when I divide by 16, I get a to be 3.5. So now I go back to my original problem here that I have in red, and instead of writing an a, I write what a equals, so I make that a 3.5. So my equation is y equals 3.5, x plus 3, x minus 2, x minus 5.